kids, welcome back. Welcome to this very nasty, rainy Tuesday. Anyway, I did a build a few months back, and I think I uploaded the gallery pictures of it, and I'll put a link to it right there so you can see the detailed pictures Mrs. RotoGeek did, because it was a while back, but I don't think I ever did a build overview of this. Just never got around to putting it up on the Patriot Blade site for sale and all that stuff. And sparking on that, man, birds are loud. I changed some things around a little bit on the gallery auctions. I decided to take it off the auction, not doing auctions on eBay. I am still doing it on eBay, but yeah, I'm doing a fixed price as well. But to quadcopter people, I'm doing it through Patriot Blade's website only, and I'm going to put a link to that in the description. So basically what's happening now is I'm taking the build cost, putting a set amount of money on top of it, and that's what it sells for. First person to email me that wants to buy the bird gets it. That's it. That's all there is to it. I decided I hate babysitting auctions. I hate fucking around with eBay. People lose interest 7 days, yeah, you know, and I'd rather, if I could sell 3 in a week, great, and raise the money, and if I can't, then that's fine too. So now when you go to the Patriot Blade site, you go on Blade Sale tab, and at the bottom, and there's a link to this in the bottom of the description here, it'll say what it is, how much it is, and bam, first come, first serve. That's just how it's going to go. No bidding wars, no bullshit. So anyway, this is actually the Pandora build. And like I said, look at the gallery build that Smoking Hot Mrs. RotoGeek did. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is out of character for me because I don't usually build birds with top mount batteries. You could, no, you can't. It's a top mount only, which is fine. That's why I did the battery lead in a scorpion tail like this, and it's very strong, as you can see. So you just pop your battery on top, bam, plugs right in. This is the Kinetic aerial, what is this thing? Vector SE frame. It's a very, very high-end frame. It's very nice. It's got all the printed TPU on it and all that good jazz. Very, very, very nice frame. Custom far view squirrel tail. I got a cicada all-in-one on here, which is the F4 Omnibus with a 30 amp BL Heli S. The motors we're rocking on this are the LD Power FR2307 2600 kVs. These are some bad to the bone motors. They're very cool. Got the Foxeer Monster V2 in there, VTX03 buried under there. So full tilt. All my birds, or the Patriot birds, whoever builds them, they don't come with receivers. So if you want a receiver, you have to ask me in advance, and for the receiver price, I'll put one in for you. I think they're like 16, 15 bucks, something like that. So anyway, let's see what this baby weighs real quick. On the scale, it tells no lies. I don't think I ever weighed it. 354. I mean, it's a full-size bird. That's not a little girl there. Okay, so anyway, super powerful, fast, very, very slick. I like it. It's a nice build, and I never build top mount battery frames, and a lot of people are looking at them nowadays. Again, this is what we used to have, not this one, but top mounts are what we used to have to fly back in the CC3D NAS 32 KK days, and we all got away from that, went underslung, and now it looks like it's coming back. So there you go, built by me. Bam. Very cool bird. So if you go to the Patriot Blades website down below there, click on the link, and you can see the details of what I just went over, and it'll also shoot you to a gallery build and all this other stuff of it. So that is the Pandora build. Bam. Let me know what you think, kids. Take care. Keep shining side up. Bye.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ. Hey, JJ. Hope you like fishing.